guys and girls, from the Wig Company, I bring you the Ultimate Wig. Ultimate is a mid-length bob style with softly waved layers. Now this classic style can be worn full and bouncy, or it can be combed through for a more relaxed style. This is a basic cap wig. It's also heat friendly. So you can heat style this wig up to 350 degrees. You can straighten it, change the wave pattern, add curls, whatever your heart desires. Well, let's take a closer look at this beautiful feminine style. Ultimate has a basic wig cap. The front bangs are sewn into this velour comfort strip. Under this fabric mesh is a moderate amount of permatease. On either side, you have these velour ear tabs, which are adjustable. The sides and the back are open wefted for air circulation and scalp coolness. On either side of the sleek velour nape are Velcro adjustable straps, which allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to 1/2 inch. Here is Ultimate. This is a fun, bouncy, feminine mid-length style. I really enjoy the wave pattern, which has a lot of natural movement to it. And the style also features bangs here at the front, and they're well done. They're very wispy. Ultimate's cap size is average, which fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, exactly my head size. Now I have the adjustable straps on the loosest setting, and this wig cap fits me snug, right out of the box. So I don't feel that this wig cap would fit someone with a larger than 22-inch circumference head size. The fiber is high quality, heat-friendly fiber. This is a very soft, silky fiber. I love the way it feels, and it flows just like human hair. Take a look how it slips through my fingers. Now what I like best about it, it's heat friendly up to 350 degrees. This is a basic cap, so there is no lace front. This is what the hairline of the wig looks like. It is not suitable for off-the-face styling options. Though a basic cap, which means it has no parting space, you can change the part of this wig simply by moving the hair fiber. It is parted to the left at the moment. Let's part it down the center. The bangs you can either brush off to the side, or you certainly could brush them straight down. Let's part this wig to the right. The fiber is easy to work with. Just another beautiful style. Ultimate has a good amount of permatease, especially at the top of the wig. Let me show you a close-up. You can see the permatease as short, wiry fibers at the top of the wig. This is not a defect. The permatease stabilizes the style and gives the style volume. Let's take a look at this beautiful style from all sides. The front, left side, the back. The style is very natural in how it moves. It certainly has a lot of volume. Right side. The measurements on Ultimate are 9 inches here at the front. The sides are 9 inches long. The crown is 11 inches long. The back is 9 inches long. and the nape is 6.5 inches long. So this is a very convenient, easy to wear, mid-length style. Now it weighs 3.80 ounces, lightweight enough to wear all day, every day. Let's talk about this stunning Statements color, R3025S Glazed Cinnamon. This is a gorgeous auburn base color. Take a look at that. And the 25 is blended throughout. You can see it. It's just beautiful. Let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. If you're interested in purchasing the ultimate wig, please visit thewigcompany.com. Now I'll leave a link where you can just click and shop in the video description box under this video. The Wig Company carries this style in all sorts of beautiful colors. You'll be sure to find one that suits you. Now, if you have any questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below the video. Now, if you wear the ultimate wig, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.